पुढचा पॉइंट आहे आपला number of elements of a set. This is your next point. Number of elements of a set. The number of distinct elements contained in a finite set is denoted by n of a. So total number of distinct elements contained in a finite set is denoted by n of a. Any set. Suppose this is set A, 1, 2, 3. So total number of distinct elements is denoted by n of a. Total numbers are 1, 2, 3. Only 3 elements are there. So we can denote n of a equal to 3. For example, B. Now B is suppose A, B, C, D, E. So total numbers are count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total distinct objects, total distinct members are 5. So you can write n of B equal to 5. Any set. Suppose this is set C. It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total elements are 5. So you can write n of C equal to 5. So total number of elements present in that set, it is denoted by n of A. Now suppose this is set D. Now you can write X such that X belongs to N. X belongs to N and X is less than 5. X is less than 5 and again X is divisible by 7. X is divisible by 7. So X is natural, means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this. Now again X is less than 5. Now less than 5 means only 1, 2, 3 and 4 natural numbers are there. Now again X is divisible by 7. Any number divisible by 7 is, first number is 7. So D contains nothing. There is no element in that set. So n of D equal to 0. N of D equal to 0. There is no element present in that set. So n of D equal to 0. Now again n of A is also called cardinality of that set A. So n of A is also called cardinality of that set A. So cardinality of set A is 3. Cardinality of set B is 5. Again cardinality of set C is 5. Cardinality of D is 0. So n of A is also called cardinality of that set. Now next point is types of sets. So first type, there are so many types of that sets. So first one is empty set. A set containing no element is called empty set or null set. A set containing no element. There is no any element in that set. Then that set is called empty set. जर एखाद्या सेट मध्ये एकही एलिमेंट नसेल, आताच आपण बघितलं की टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स मोजायचे, मग त्याच्यात एकही एलिमेंट नसेल, then it is empty set. There is no any element in that set, then it is empty set or it is also called null set. Now for example, suppose this is set A. A is X such that X is less than 5. Again X is natural number, and now our previous example, X is divisible bar 7. Now there is no any element in this set. So there is no any element present in that set. It is empty set. There is no any element. So this is empty set or null set. Now it is denoted by the symbol 5. This set is also denoted like this. 5. 5 means you can write 0 and 1 vertical line. So this is your symbol 5. Or it is null set. Means only curly bracket are there. There is no any element. This is not your empty set because 0 is present in that set, or you can write O is present in that set. So this is not null set. There is no any element. It is empty space between your curly bracket. मग अशाला आपण म्हणणार empty set or it is void set. So this is your empty set. Or again see B. B is X such that X belongs to N and 1 is less than X is less than 2. Then find N is natural number. Again N is greater than 1 and less than 2. So there is no any element between 1 and 2 which is natural number. So this is again empty set. So empty set means there is no any element present in that set. Means here for N of A, total number of elements are for set A are 0. So total number of elements in that set A is 0. Here also total number of elements in set B are 0. There is no any element present in that set. So this is your empty set. ज्या सेट मध्ये एकही एलिमेंट नसेल तर अशा सेटला आपण काय म्हणणार तर एम्प्टी सेट म्हणणार. The next type, second type is singleton set. दूसरा टाइप है आपला singleton set. A set containing only one element is called singleton set. A set containing only one element means only one element is present in that set, then it is called singleton set. If there is only one element, जर त्या सेट मध्ये एकच एलिमेंट असेल मग तो कुठलाही असणार. Any number is there, any variable is there, but only one element is present in that set, then it is singleton set. So see here, this is set A which contain only 5. So it is singleton set. So N of A in singleton set, what happens? Total number of elements of that set A is 1. Or set B. B, suppose here is only E. So N of B is 1. So for singleton set, total number of elements are only 1. Or you can write C like this. This is X such that X belongs to N and 2 is less than X is less than 4. So X belongs to N. X is natural number. Again X is greater than 2 and less than 4. So which number is present which is natural between 2 and 4? It is only 3. Correct? So this is your set which contain only 3. So N of C is, it is only 1. Correct? Now what happens when you write like this T such that X belongs to R, 2 is less than X is less than 4. Now your new set is D X such that X belongs to R and 2 is less than x is less than 4. Now x is real number. Real number means here x is real number and here x is natural number. So in between 2 and 4, real number means your number line. So here is suppose 0, here it's 2 and here it's 4. Now for number line, total real numbers between 2 and 4 किती येतात? 2 आणि 4 मध्ये टोटल रियल नंबर्स किती असतात? इनफायनाइट नंबर्स असतात. याच्यामध्ये इनफायनाइट नंबर्स झाले. So this is not singleton set. So if you replace n by r, then it becomes infinite set. It is not finite set. It is not singleton set. So this is not singleton set. There are infinite elements present in that set D. So it is not a singleton set. Then your third type is finite set. Third is finite set. तीसरा type है अपना finite set. So empty set or a set which contains finite number of objects is called finite set. Empty set or any set which contains finite number of objects. Finite number of objects means you can count how many objects are there, how many numbers are there in that set. So you can count and this count is end. जर ते आपण मोजायला लागलो तर ते आपलं मोजणं संपतं. किती एलिमेंट आहेत त्या सेट मध्ये हे आपल्याला सांगता येतं. तर अशा सेटला आपण म्हणणार फायनाइट सेट. So suppose here is A 7, 8, 9. So elements you can count. This is first element, this is second element, this is third element. So this is countable elements are present in that set. So this is finite set. Or you can count how many numbers are there. So it is finite set. Then set B. Suppose this is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now count these elements. How many numbers are there? Total numbers are there 5. So n of B equal to 5. So this is finite set. Okay, suppose C is there. You can write 1, 2, 3, so on up to 100. Now count all this element. Total of number of elements किती आहेत बघा त्यात. मोजले का? 1, 2, 3, 4. कुठपर्यंत जायचं आहे? 100 पर्यंत जायचं आहे. So total numbers are 100. So n of C is 100. So these are finite sets. You can count how many numbers present in that set. जर तुम्हाला त्या सेट मध्ये किती नंबर्स आहेत हे माहित असेल, ते नंबर मोजता येत असतील, तर अशा सेटला आपण म्हणणार finite set. So these are your finite sets. Now definition set. Empty set or the set containing finite number of objects. So this is your set containing. ही जी definition आपण बघितली, हे जे example बघितलं हे या सेट साठी बघितलं, which contain finite number of elements. So this is your finite number of elements and these are some sets. Now this empty set is again finite set. So very important, empty set is also a finite set. Now if there is any empty set, for example, suppose this is set D, x such that x belongs to n, x is less than equal to 6 and x is divisible by 10. X is divisible by 10. Then there is no any element. This D is empty set, null set. So this set is also finite set because you can count how many numbers are there. How many numbers are there? 0. So this is also finite set. So empty set is also a finite set, and a set containing finite number of objects means we can total count. We can count all the elements of that set. So it is finite set. The next type is infinite set. A set which is not finite is called infinite set. So what is mean by finite set? Finite means you can count how many numbers are there in that set. How many objects are there, you can count it. So a set which is not finite means you cannot count how many numbers are there. So it is infinite set. जर आपल्याला त्या सेट मधले एलिमेंट्स मोजता आले नाही, ते फायनाइट सेट जर नसेल, फायनाइट म्हणजे काय तर किती एलिमेंट्स आहेत हे आपल्याला कळतं. मग जर तो सेट फायनाइट नसेल, then it is infinite set. Then see here, n is 1 2 3 so on. So you cannot count how many numbers are there, 100 or 200 500, there is no end. So this is infinite set. Then w, it is 0 1 2 3 so on. This is also infinite set. Then see here, this is set d, x, such that x belongs to r. 1 is less than x is less than 2. So how many numbers are between 1 and 2, which are real numbers? This is infinite set. There are so many numbers you cannot count. So this is also infinite set. Infinite set means you cannot count how many numbers are present in that set. So it is infinite set. Infinite set म्हणजे काय तर असे सगळे सेट की ज्यातले एलिमेंट्स आपल्याला काउंट करता येत नाही. तर आपण हे 4 टाइप बघितले. आता राहिलेले टाइप आपण नंतर बघूया.